get on some dog food? Some boilers? We still have a dog biscuit to eat too. Here's a dog biscuit. Dog biscuit. Mm. You're better dog. Here's another dog biscuit. Oh. Oh. Baby's choking. Oh, Snickers. We got one. Crunch, crunch, crunch.